Hi friends, I just did a really fast video. I wanted to time myself and see how quickly I could do my makeup. I already had my primers on, so I had my Stay Spray and my NYX eyelid primer, and I did have on my mascara. I did every single step on my face except contour, but I only did one eyeshadow color. So I don't know if you can see, I did Foxy all over, and I guess I did under my brow bone, I did Cupcake. So I did Foxy all over, and then I did Cupcake. You'll see it in the video. And so I color corrected, I did my main highlight, I did Bella bronzer, I did Sandstone on my cheeks, a little bit on my lips, and then I put a little bit of illuminator over top, and then I decided, oh, you know what, I didn't really like that so I put a little bit of this gloss over it. So in the very end then, after the video, I decided I wanted on some of this No. 2 perfume. Yes, mascara has perfume too, and it's an illuminator. You can see that. And they have 4 of them. I'm gonna say that this one's like a little bit floral. So I put like a little bit under my nose, I put some on my neck, and I put some on my collarbone. So that's it. 7 minutes and 1 second without contour. That's the only, and eyeliner. I skipped eyeliner and contour. So 7 minutes and 1 second. So I don't know, I'm pretty happy with that. So I just wanted to do that for you guys because sometimes I do these, well, all the time I do these videos and they're like 30 to 45 minutes long, and I think it's kind of intimidating. But again, this is my day to do nothing as far as usually I don't do much with my makeup. I have sweatpants and t-shirt on, and I thought, you know what, this is the face that I would do just to go out. I just didn't have time this morning and I didn't take the time. So, all right, here you go.